Hey, hello! This is a cheapest screwdriver from the hardware store. And it's unusable from the store and this is garbage. Let's fix it. So we have Deli DLDZ125A2 and you can see funny how horrible it's glued. But okay, then other thing, you can see second speed and first speed. First so it's this is first speed and this is second. So I write here 1, here 2. Okay, quality of plastic, but it's works. And main problem with this chuck. You can see it's 2 pieces and you should hold one piece and screw another. And when you something drill, screw and screw, it's tight so hard. So I'm not so strong, so I can't do this. So this chuck is garbage. We can try to use something. Hold this and okay. Then we have here screw, yes, reverse screw. Here a screw, maybe it's M5. And now this is moved to the trash. I went to the store with this part and check 3824 UNF. This is for its screwdriver. With this part. Problem of this cheap, very cheap screwdriver, it don't have any stop when you tighten it. Another screwdriver, more expensive, have it. Так, let's try. So, let's try. Almost no space. Then we use this. and put this screw. So it's reverse, we have to screw here. Now we have how on old drills this type of chuck, and it works very well. So from garbage, it's okay, simple, cheap, very cheap screwdriver. This chuck cost me about, I bought it for $5 or $6 US. So this one is about 22 US dollars plus this chuck. So under $30 we have good screwdriver. But maybe for this price you can buy something better than this. Maybe used Bosch, for example, or Milwaukee. So we back to the life this instrument, and somebody can screw everything with it. Bye bye. Comments, like, dislike.